First thing first, on the realest. We got a package. We got a package. We got a package. Hey, 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 hey. Look. So we got a package from Rule and Reign. So they sent your boy their new skincare packaging, their new skincare routine. And y'all know I'm always down to find the biggest and the best way to do some skincare routine. We're going to unbox a little bit of this, show this off, get a little bit of action, and we're going to see what it looks like over a week's time and how we feel about this. So this is a small business. There's a few things that are very different about this that I don't really see in general 3 steps. It's also a 3-step routine, and we're gonna go over that, which really caught my eye. And so first and foremost, thank you, Rule and Reign, for sending this out so we can give an authentic and real review for this. And go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't, and let's get into it. Ready to rule. Rule and Reign skincare. Y'all know it's always a plus for me. Kudos when you have good packaging. You always gotta have good packaging. And so, well, on the back it says ready to rule. Behind it, there we go. Our 3-step routine. We have the hyaluronic gel cleanser, which is different for a face wash. It cleanses the skin, deeply removing dirt, excess oil, with retaining skin natural appearance and delivering moisture. So I do have like a hyaluronic, serum that I usually use after I clean my face and everything else. I put on, and then you put your moisturizer on. So just to see that, having that in there, they help keep that moisture and keep that face clean. It's always a plus. Then you have the anti-aging cell serum, formulated with natural potent skin enriching extracts and antioxidants to penetrate deep into the problem areas. And then we have the advanced amino acid repair cream with deeply moisturized, soothes and protects skin with key amino acids. So this is a little bit different, because normally what you'll get like some type of face wash, just a general cleanser, and then maybe you'll get like an exfoliating wash that you'll use, 2 to 3 times out the week. And then normally you'll just get a regular moisturizer. Once you finish, get out, you put on. But you have a little bit of everything here. You already have your hyaluronic. You have your anti-aging cell serum, which is basically, it has all the antioxidants that's going to help you with that antioxidants, I'm sorry. And then you have your advanced amino. I haven't used an amino acid repair cream yet, so this is going to be good. Let's go ahead and open up the box though. So you get in here, you have your 3, 1, 2, 3, it shows you. Oh, all right. But it says, thank you for being a part of R&R family. So R&R, let's go. Rule and Skincare combines potent active ingredients across the globe to create luxury men's skincare. Experience designed to improve your skin as simple as 3 steps. It talks about how every man deserves to look their best. And then, it kind of goes up a little bit more into what makes up the product. And then you have your founder, Malcolm Perkins. So appreciate you, my guy, for sending this my way. From my understanding, this is enough for 30 days, a full month of skincare. Let's well, first things first, wet your face. Use your step 1. Get you about a dime size amount in here. We're gonna work it in. Circular motions, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Work it in. Work it in. Circular motion. Just for this demonstration, focus on the face, but don't forget to get your neck and stuff like that. Yeah. Work it in. Work it in. I get some beer and stuff, I love that this is it's lightweight. feels good on this, smells good. So, got that going on. So we're gonna go with number 2, an anti-aging serum here. Serum. We get 2 to 3 pumps. We're gonna go 2 pumps today. We're gonna rub that on it. Rub that on it. All right, minute has passed. Then we're gonna have our advanced amino acid repair cream. Let that. You know what I'm saying? Let that. It ain't focusing, so a little of that. We're gonna rub it in, then we're gonna get it in. Then we good to go. We good to go. We good to go. All right, y'all. Look, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I am highly impressed with Rolling Rain. Like, I am highly impressed with the skincare, this regimen. Is really, truly the only regimen you really need. Of course you can build out any regimen with extra stuff and problems, but like, especially if you're looking for something that's quick and simple and effective, I haven't been this impressed by a skincare brand in a while, especially a 3-step. You have your cleanse, your replenish, and your protect. But what I love also about this is that they have a lot of different ingredients. They have a lot of different, their method is different. And when I say that, most have, it's almost copy and paste. But this is something that has high quality ingredients. It's gonna work, and it's gonna actually push different, especially for a men's skincare. Now, women can use this as well. But one of the first things that I'm gonna read off this, because I don't want to butcher it. So for your cleanser, it's a hyaluronic gel. And so, of course, it's going to help you hydrate your skin. It's going to pump the skin. It's going to keep the fine lines from out of that as well. Then you have your replenish, which is basically, it regenerates the properties. It soothes and revitalizes your skin, improves skin repair. And then it has vitamin C. So, normally, one second. And then you have your protect, which is step 3. And all this is good, like in lightweight, like it don't make you sweat. You can use it, feel good about it. And you really can tell the difference, really honestly to me, within a week, if you're using it properly and if you're using it consistently as well. So, for example, the protect is the advanced amino acid repair cream. And so, to be honest with you, once you kind of get into like skincare, especially, skincare routine, especially for men and stuff like that, like I would have almost a 6-7 step. And of course you can build it out if you have more problem areas, but like, you have your cleanser, you have, your toner, your hyaluronic acid, your vitamin C, all this different stuff if you're shaving and so forth. But this, not only this, to me, it is a great price point. I've paid for stuff that's similar, that's double the price, almost triple the price. And it comes in great packaging. Y'all know I love that. It's simple and effective. And I understand the ingredients, I understand what I'm using, I understand what I'm getting. And I definitely can recommend this product. I'm gonna link it. I don't get any kickback or anything from that. But no, this is generally a product that I am happy to be using. And I'm glad, I'm happy about it. Like, I think I found my new routine going forward, because literally, this is it. This is great. This is great. So y'all let me know if y'all had tried it. Let me know your thoughts. Also, I do want to let y'all know that yes, Rule and Reign did send this out to me, but they had no influence on what I got to say about the product. So if you go back and look at some of my other skincare routine videos, just let me know your thoughts. If you made this far, you're a real one. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to keep on rolling.